Is it possible to reverse the environmental damage we've inflicted on Earth, much like the ambitious concept of terraforming other planets? While we typically think of terraforming as a solution for making inhospitable planets more Earth-like, could these same principles be applied to restoring our own planet? In recent years, scientists have explored ways to mitigate the effects of pollution, deforestation, and climate change, essentially attempting to terraform Earth back to a healthier, more sustainable state. One approach is rewilding, a practice that involves restoring native ecosystems by reintroducing flora and fauna to depleted areas. Rewilding has shown success in regions like Europe, where abandoned farmland has been reforested, inviting wildlife back into previously barren areas. These ecosystems help restore biodiversity, improve soil quality, and even capture carbon, which slows climate change. This ecological terraforming aims to reverse the damages by letting nature reclaim the land, a process that not only rebuilds ecosystems but also revitalizes regional climates. Another vital method is carbon capture technology, which pulls carbon dioxide directly from the atmosphere. This process seeks to reduce greenhouse gases and alleviate global warming. While still in development, large-scale carbon capture systems, such as direct air capture facilities, are already operational in countries like Iceland. These systems act as Earth's air scrubbers, making the atmosphere cleaner and more balanced. Combined with reforestation and renewable energy, carbon capture offers hope for a world where we can actively remove pollutants instead of merely reducing emissions. Water restoration projects are also transforming damaged ecosystems by reviving natural waterways and wetlands. By redirecting rivers or recreating marshes, scientists can restore these crucial habitats, bringing back plant and animal life, filtering pollutants, and improving water quality. Healthy water systems are essential not only for biodiversity but also for human agriculture and water resources. While these terraforming efforts may sound futuristic, they represent the cutting edge of environmental restoration. If we commit to applying these approaches on a global scale, the Earth we leave to future generations could be healthier, more sustainable, and capable of regenerating itself.